Alright, hello and welcome to Echoes of Color with Jefferey Morrison. How's it going? Alright, we're gonna do another whip and chat here. Okay, so Diamond Art Club's Hogwarts Crest, Fine Oddities Black. Okay, just this little puppy here. Square drill, 22 inches by 26 inches, 56 centimeters by 66 centimeters. Alright, 42 colors, including 4 ABs, which stands for Aurora Borealis. They're an iridescent coated type of drill that shines a little brighter than that of regular drills, and anything under color code 150 is considered an AB, color code or DMC code. Alright, so how's it going? It's raining here. So yeah, I took some of my canvases, Diamond Art Club canvases, out of the shipping boxes. It was getting a little cluttered, so heck of a lot better now. Yeah, looks a little tidier. My more recent canvases. Some canvases I didn't even realize I had until I looked in the boxes. Yeah, Woodland Cottage Retreat or something. I didn't realize I had. Or Woodland Walk Cottage. I didn't realize I had that. Oh well, yeah. I think I have most of the shipping labels, but yeah, they're just tucked away in a drawer, and it's just forget what I have. Kind of nice if I had a log of what canvases I have, so I don't do Sea Breeze Trail again. Bought 2 or 3 of those canvases. Oh, 2. Alright, so I'm avoiding doing the 310 for now, so we'll do another AB 3. 135. Okay. Da. Alright. Hopefully you're having a good day. Hopefully it's a little nicer where you are. Hopefully your hobbies and crafts are going well. 135. Alright. So let's do a bit of number 3 here. Alright, tweezers. Okay. Just fix the camera again. Sure. Roughly. Sure. No, yeah. Award-winning cinematography for the channel here. Yep, okay. Sarcasm. Just a bit. Alright. Yeah, I did a couple of colors last night as previous whip and chat was uploading to YouTube. Yeah, I just went in and filled in a couple of colors. Getting there, getting near the end of this section. Say hit the 310. Yeah, that'll be this section. But yeah, just a few more colors. No rush really. Nephew might get this for Christmas. But may or may not be done by then. Just take my time and just do what I can. I don't know about doing whip and chat this afternoon. It sounds like people are coming to the studio this afternoon. I don't know. I'm just sneaking this whip and chat in now. I'll see what I can do. I don't know. Just spending half an hour with the community. It doesn't bother me to record. I just record when I can, that's all. Could probably just do a live, but with my work schedule, people are probably used to like a set time for a live. I'd be like all over the place, I feel. Be kind of annoying. When's your next live? I don't know. It's like people probably have like a set time for those things. Like probably given a schedule. It's probably out of date, but I don't know. I'd have to have my laptop out here and yeah, I forget how you do that. I think I know how to set up a live. Oh well, that I find WIP and chats are just like, yeah, just easier to do. Yeah, I think I'll just stick with WIP and chats. Tell you the truth. They're easier. And it's within my time frame kind of deal. So it's pretty easy to just sit down for half an hour or so and just, yeah, hang out, diamond paint. Then there's content on Echoes of Color. Yeah, I can do like 2 or 3 whipping chats in a day. So, I don't know, I find it easier, but yeah, all different, but it's what works for content creators. Yeah. Jeez. This is one AB that does not want to go on the canvas. Oops. Well, I'm almost to Rivendell for my Lord of the Rings walking challenge. I have like 2 more kilometers to go. I'm at 50% now through the fellowship, but yeah. Rivendell is just kind of like right there. Oh, it's all good. At least I'm 50%, so I'll get there. It's kind of rainy today, so it just might end up on the treadmill for reading. So I'm almost on that Wheel of Time book too, so yeah. Yeah, I do have the second Wheel of Time book, but I'm not going to read it like right after the first one. Yeah, just jump between novels. If it's a series, yeah, I just take a break from it for a book or two, and then just start the next book. The bookstore in Stratford will keep carrying the Wheel of Time series. for as long as they're open for, I guess. It's popular, I suppose. So, I saw the third book at the store the other day, but I'm just doing one book at a time. Let's see what... Yeah, I can just go back to the store and just pick it up. Now that I know where it is, unless they start shifting stuff around in the store. And I could probably always just ask them to order the next one if they don't have it, like book 4 or whatever. I don't know. Just pay for it at the store and like probably, I think they've done that, just like mailed me a book. I just paid for it at the store. I just mail it to my address. Yeah, I think I've done that once. Oh, I just buy a book every once in a while. It's not... Yeah, I just don't want like 6 books that I haven't read sitting here. A series, like other people want to read it too. Not reading these like one a week or whatever. It's just... Yeah, what if somebody else wants to read the Wheel of Time series and they're at a certain book? So I'll get the series as I go. Works for me. Oh, it's only like a 15-20 minute car ride to Stratford, so... And the series is complete, so I just get them as I go. I have the Expanse, like the complete, all 9 books of the Expanse science fiction series, so that's good. Yeah, I think I'm on like book 4, like ready to read book 4, I believe. I think. Oh, that's a cool read too. The story is spread out through the 9 books. Different things happen in each of the books. It's really nice. Kind of just a slow trickle of conflict in each book. Major things happen, and then, yeah. Okay, is that all for number 3? Oh, okay, yeah, I guess so. Cool. Alright, that's all for the A-B. Yeah, I think that was the last of the A-Bs too, so, for this section. Yeah, I still have the Sword of Truth series too. Terry Guggenheim. Check it. Yeah. There's like 3 other books. I think that's a smaller kind of saga. Oh. Yeah, I think he's the one who did Sword of Shannara. I don't know. Just science fiction, fantasy kind of guy. Murder mystery. Futuristic murder romance kind of stuff. Fiction. Okay, what's her next color? M? Yeah, I'll do M. 937. Alright. Yeah, did anybody get the Diamond Art Club mystery box? That's like worth $200. It sold out fairly quick. It was like a timed event. they only gave it like a few hours, 3 hours or something, and they like sold out like nothing. Never before seen kits, a mystery kit, surprise gift. Yeah, it was crazy. $200. I'm like, I'd rather know what I'm getting. Great idea. Like, have diamond paintings for a while, but I don't know, what if it's something I already have for, yeah, I'd rather know what I'm getting for $200. So just choose what's there. But hey, good idea. Good incentive to purchase stuff. It's all good. Yeah, just doing a green here. Think about those like timed sales, like only like 2 or 3 hour windows. It's like they're in a different time zone. And when I finally read the email, like I don't check my email like every 10 minutes or something, but check it throughout the day, I guess. But yeah, if you know about that kind of thing like later in the day, like I saw like an hour left when I finally read the email. But yeah, you're rushing to spend $200 on a mystery box there. No thanks. Not spend $200 on like probably a couple kits. Yeah, that's fine, but no, if I don't know what I'm getting, it's just no. I've yet to try like a Diamond Art Club mystery kit. I'd be able to handle that. I think I've seen too many spoilers for the kits. I think they're limited edition, some of them. I think once they're gone. So they can just get new kits going. I don't know how that will work. I'm just guessing. But I thought I saw a couple of the mystery kits as limited edition. Or on sale or something. I don't know. It's kind of waiting for a restock of Still Waiting, but it's be kind of like Fine Soft A. I struggled to get that for a while. I think it's a You Marry Art. Yeah, it's a really popular piece. People have already finished it. This came out a couple of weeks ago. Oh, that's the beauty of a hobby. People have different amounts of time which they can spend on canvases, like working on their canvases. So, I don't know. I work full time, so. And I had to sleep for night shift, so it's no use being dead tired on a night shift. It's like twice as hard to do anything if you're just dead tired. It's not very safe. Not really a good idea. Oh, cat hair in the drill container. Jeez. Cat just wants to hang out. It's not allowed out here, but gee, that's never stopped him from coming out here and trying to corral him back into the main part of the house. Just wanders around out here, doesn't know where to go, but it's still like, yeah, it shouldn't be out here. He escapes the odd time, but it's not outside, because we live right by the highway, and I could just imagine him bolting to the highway and just getting hit by a car. Like, it's happened to a couple of cats. It's just, either it's a burst of excitement or freaked out burst of energy. It just sucks. I know, there's a page for St. Mary's, like, on Facebook, and yeah. Oh, cat escaped. If you see it, let me know. It's like, oh my gosh. Somebody has lost a dog, and it's just like, what the heck? I'm sure indoor cats like have the same in-ground instincts as an outdoor cat. But outdoor cats are probably a little more active and agile. But no matter what, I'm pretty sure it's like a dangerous environment for a cat. I don't know, you just naturally adapt to an environment. It's natural for human beings to. If you're in like a warm climate, your body just kind of acclimatizes to the warm weather. It like adapts. But then if somebody like in a warm climate finally went to a cold climate, their body would probably have to readjust, or wouldn't be used to the cold climate. Yeah, if you're like in a constant warm climate or a constant cool climate, like in Canada here, yeah, it really not much of an adjustment. Maybe like for the seasons, like we do spring, summer, fall, winter up here. So yeah, the air pressure kind of changes when the seasons switch. I sometimes get a nosebleed. Like summer to fall, fall to winter. Yeah, just the air pressure or something changes, and it's just like body just adapts. It's a strange occurrence. Alright. Hopefully I haven't been diamond painting off the screen again. Okay. H. Oh, 989. Oh, okay. Where? Ooh, very much of this H left. Hopefully it's just down here. This is just like a quick couple patches of this green here. Whoops. Yeah, it's just like a quick touch-up kind of color. Kind of like that brown for these fern leaves. Yeah, that was just a few drills. Yeah, where did I go? Okay, I'll put that drill there, since that's where I wanted to go. Alright, there we go. Alright, it's filling in. Okay, I think there's like one more color, then it's like 310. Okay, it's this 312. Make sure not to take the stickers off. Okay. Sticker sheet's going to be destroyed by the time I'm done with this. Oh, yeah. Dark blue. 312. Kind of looks like a beginning of a constellation kind of symbol. Kind of like Orion's belt, but it's missing a notch. It's just like two dots joined by a single line. Is the twig a constellation? Cool. It's really nice when the canvas fills in once the drills are on. It's like, oh, this looks great. Alright, cool. Feels like you're putting a puzzle together. Satisfaction when the final piece clicks in. It's like, alright. Alright, 310. Good to go. Awesome. Yeah, it's really nice how this one's coming together. Alright, 310. Yeah, I'm going to have to open another bag, but alright, 310. Kind of blatantly obvious that I have 310 left, but I just use the sticker sheet anyway, mark it anyway. Alright, how we doing? Alright, so you've been watching Echoes of Color with Jeffery Morrison. Down below in the description I put my Facebook profile name, my Echoes of Color Facebook business page, and my Instagram. All three. I just try to update simultaneously or near the same time with a similar kind of story or update. It's usually completed sections on, yeah, just a short blurb about what it is. Yeah, just that kind of thing. I really don't post what I eat for lunch. That no. Yeah, it's just basically about Echoes of Color, just about the channel, the odd update. And yeah, I also post walking challenge website links to where you can buy the challenges that I mention every now and then. I'm not affiliated or sponsored by Conqueror or Pacer, either of those websites. So yeah, it's just there just so you can check it out if you want. It's easy to get started. If you want to be a little bit more active, even by just walking, you can get these medals. You can collect them. Yeah, getting the apps is free. Like downloading the apps is free on your phone or whatever smart device. But yeah, the challenges cost a bit of money. But totally up to you, totally optional, not forcing anybody to exercise, la la la. So yeah, just so you know what I'm talking about when I mention Lord of the Rings walking challenge, virtual walking challenge, and the reading on the treadmill stuff. But anyway, take care. All the best with your crafting endeavors / hobbies. If you're just watching, thank you. Pleasure to have anybody hang out for a bit. Alright, I will see you again soon, I'd imagine. Alright, bye. Have a good day.